Wow, I can't believe that took so little time with AI.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of Kaiber AI, an innovative AI animation tool that's been making waves, including being used by the legendary band Linkin Park. Whether you're a content creator, musician, business owner, Kaiber AI is here to help you bring your ideas to life like never before. Stick around as we explore its features, pricing, and even give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by taking a look at some of the key features that make Kaiber AI stand out from the crowd. Kaiber AI takes still images and turns them into captivating animations. You can choose from various styles and even directs you how you want the animations to work, giving you creative control. Let's talk about audio reactivity. Kaiber AI's audio reactivity feature lets you upload a song and watches the platforms, analyzes the beats, and brings your music videos to life. Not just limited to images, Kaiber AI can also transform your existing videos into entirely new styles and aesthetics. Perfect for repurposing content and adding a fresh twist. Now that we know what Kaiber AI has to offer, let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial on how to use this powerful tool.
We're here at the Kaiber AI platform. We're going to log in. You can access this through the link in our description. When you first log into Kaiber, it'll ask you how you discovered it. You can go ahead and click on YouTube. And also it asks you what type of work you do. This is all skippable, so let's go right ahead. We'll just click on this big button that says create your first video. You'll get this notice that says dear creator, and you'll see that we get 100 credits for free. So let's start that free trial. We'll talk about pricing in just a bit, but you can see here that Kaiber only allows you to use the 7-day free trial with a credit card on files. So let's plug those details in. And with that done, we can start creating. Just click on this button and you'll see there's a lot of ways to work on Kaiber. We're gonna start on this big button saying just start writing prompt. On the left here, you can write the subject of the video. I'm gonna type in the style of, let's say, Wes Anderson. We have some suggestions right over here on the bottom right that say the type of styles that you can add, and when you click on them, you'll see a plethora of different words that help inform the AI of that style. You can see many of these. This is really good. I like watercolor though. We'll change it and I'll just type in Wes Anderson watercolor to see what that does. Instead of color gradations, I'm gonna go with sepia tone. What we're gonna create right now is called the storyboard. You see over here. We'll click on video settings to continue. As you can see, it's about a second a credit. The minimum is 3 seconds, and you'll see the credit cost right over here. We'll do a 12-second one. We can change the aspect ratio, the camera movement. We can say rotate clockwise. It all basically means the stability of your video. The higher this number goes, the more wild your animation will be. We'll click on 1:1 as the aspect ratio, and we could drag in an audio here or upload a file. I think we're good for now, and we'll just generate preview. Right before you generate your video, you'll see over here that you can select your favorite preview just to guide the algorithm a lot better. I don't know about you guys, I like this one a lot more. You can even download it. I'm gonna click on it, and you have this button over here that says storyboard to add more. What this would do is add a new scene. You can create a new scene with the same style, and we'll do this in the next one, but first let's create one video. And after just a bit, we can see here the result. The camera is rotating clockwise. It's regenerating after a bit. But you can see it's very detailed. We can make it full screen to see it. This is super useful for a plethora of projects. Let's go ahead and create a new video. One of the coolest things that Kaiber has, along with other AI generated tools, is that you can see the main gallery of other users that they have done. I really like this. Let's see if we can generate something from that. We'll just go ahead, make it big, do a screen cap on that, and click on our other window and say begin with initial image. Right after doing that, we can continue to the prompt. We can describe the subject of the video of congregation gathers while it's raining. We can say in the style of, this looks pretty cinematic already, but it looks a little bit, how would you say it? Maybe like a comic book. This meteoric graphic, I like that. If you can't come up with anything, you can of course use one of the descriptions that are suggested to you, but we're gonna click on video settings. We'll do the camera movement be down, show uploaded image in the first frame, and let's create something a bit more stable. So let's move it up to 1 and do 6 seconds. Click on generate previews. As you can see, the 4 previews look almost like our initial image, but a little bit changed. I like all of them, but let's go ahead with this one. And maybe let's try the option to generate a new storyboard. Let's change the scene to be same style, but let's make it we'll go ahead and choose the same video settings. I think we can do a little shorter of a scene and click on generate previews. And as you can see here, the preview image will be used as inspiration for storyboard 2. So we'll just go and click on create video and it'll generate both of our videos. And we can see here our final video just a bit after we clicked on generate. You can see it's a lot more stable. It's pretty cinematic. The upward shot is really good. And I believe that's only storyboard 1. We can go ahead and go onto storyboard 2. And we can see it did the first few seconds about storyboard 1. And then we see the overhead shot starting on second 6. We can of course download the video. We can upgrade our account to upscale the videos. And here we can do a quick word on pricing. You can see the prices are annual. It's $10 a month for the Pro. The main difference is that you get 12,000 credits with $120 billed annually, and you get up to 8-minute videos. And you can upscale up to 180 or 4K. You can check out more differences if you pause the video or go directly to the Kaiber website from the link in our description. Now let's go ahead and do one last video, starting from an existing video. Of course, you can see all of your videos clicking on the tab here that says My Videos. We have an original one here. I wanted to download this one. It'll take just a second. And wow, that was fast. And we'll click again up there on the right on Create Your Video. And we'll transform an existing video by using this one that we just created. Let's go on Continue to Prompt. Let's write in, let's say in the style of steampunk. And you see again, all of the keywords for steampunk show up when I plug it in. We'll go into video settings. We can't do much other than transform since it's starting from an initial video, but we'll click on generate previews and see what that comes up with. That's really good. I like this one the most. Let me know which one you like the best in the comment section. And with that, it's done. You can see it's the same length as our previous video, and it even follows the head movement when it turns to the right. That's very detailed and really interesting. This is super useful for movie makers, for storyboards. You can create something a lot more advanced than anything you could draw in the span of a few minutes. If you click on this share button, you'll get a link to share it with anyone or on social media. And we have one final function to try out, which is add soundtrack. We're gonna upload a file. I uploaded a version of the song that we use here on the channel, and we'll click on continue to prompt. We'll say, and we can do it in the style of Meteora watercolor. So I think that'll be best. Let's say 4K ultra realistic. And we can go over to video settings. We'll try out a different aspect ratio. We have the song upload is the video length, of course. So we have 6 seconds. And we will do left as the camera movement and do it the wildest it can go just to see what that looks like. There's this option that is not available unless you upload your own song, which is make the video audio reactive. If you get it to low or none, the camera will move less with your song, and higher will mean that it'll be more reactive to this. So let's keep it on medium and click on generate previews. And here's the 4 available previews. These are all very good quality. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one. This seems more like what I had in mind, and click on create video. And here we have our video after just a few minutes. I'm gonna click play in just a second. I'm gonna mute it and show you how it looks like without the song. You can see here that our song starts with a few seconds of silence, or our file started with a few seconds of silence. So it takes just a second to start following it. I'm gonna shut up for a second and show you how it works with the music. That's amazing quality, and it wasn't as wild and erratic as I thought it would be having it on the wildest setting. You can see it's still generating constantly, but it's definitely understandable and maintaining anatomy, which is not the case with every generative AI. And with that, that's all from me today. Make sure to check out Kaiber AI on the link in our description. Stay creative. Bye-bye.